Hi guys, hear me again, your investment master, Clouds. For those who don't know me yet, I am working in real estate for quite some time. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin, no? And this is what I love the most. I think kahit na nakapikit ako, no, kayang-kaya kong mag-speech about the property investment. And investing property, one of the best part that you need to realize is, first, know the location. Second, accessibility. Third, the benefits. Siyempre, dapat unang-una yung location, di ba? Dapat malapit yun sa trabaho mo. Malapit din yan sa mga sakayan. And then, yung benefits na meron doon sa area. Ano ba yung meron doon sa area? Malapit ba yan sa mall, sa groceries, or anything na gusto mong gawin or convenient para sa'yo? Siyempre sa pag-invest ng property, hindi lang naman yung for personal use yung dapat nating i-consider. Some of us want to invest property because gusto nilang kumita ng pera, which is good. Kasi to enlighten you about investing property, one of the top billionaires or trillionaires in the country, especially here in the Philippines, they are investing in real estate. Like for example, si Manny Villar, 'di ba? Kita naman natin kung gaano siya yumaman sa pag-iinvest ng property. Ayala Land, nakita naman natin ang Makati. Kita naman natin ang BGC, 'di ba? Sa Ortigas Center. And other real estate na meron tayo sa Pilipinas, they are the top billionaires or trillionaires na meron tayo sa bansa. Investing property is minimal risk. Hindi ka nalulugi dito. Yun nga lang, kailangan mo talagang maglabas ng capital to invest in property. If you want to know more, guys, about the tips and investing property, you can follow me in my Facebook account, Cloud Stocks. That is our Facebook, and much of my content is all about investment. Thank you guys for watching. Again, your investment master, Clouds.